Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll give you a tutorial on how to make a small mousse step by step. It's easy to do. Enjoy my video, and if you like it, remember to subscribe. In this video you will notice that there are three basic shapes that I use: round, drop shape and a roll. Start by rolling the body. Squeeze it a little bit. And the same thing, roll the head and then nip with your fingers to get a perfect mousse head. Remember to make the beard. Attach it to the body. Now let's make the horns. You need two pieces. Flatten it out and just use your fingers to squeeze it to a small star. Do the same with both. You need 2 ears and of course 4 legs. Roll the ears and make them drop shaped and attach them to the head. Don't squeeze too hard. And then time to attach the horns. Push hard enough so they stick, but don't lose the shape of the whole mousse. Roll the legs and attach them underneath the body. They will stick if you push the mousse to the surface. Check the shape until you are satisfied. Let's make the eyes. Roll 2 white dots and put them on the head. And finish up with 2 black dots. Finish up your mousse by making nostrils. If you want to make a keychain of it, make the hole before you put it in the oven.